This is Project Kilauea, an E.C.D custom Defender 110, finished to our client's exact specification. Kilauea is painted full gloss sage green with black accents. Kilauea sits on 18-inch Kahn 1983 wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 features a classic front bumper, E.C.D custom steering guard, 6-point full external roll cage, with 2 LED round spot lamps at the rear. Inside, Kilauea features a Momo Prototipo steering wheel with nostalgia VT gauges, 2 Recaro Orthoped front seats, Recaro Expert S mid-row seats, and 4 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is finished in a single vertical diamond cadence lentil leather, stitched together in green. This 110 is powered by our GM 6.2 litre LS3 engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. This also features an array of modern elements such as touchscreen stereo with Pioneer speakers, rear AC and access to charging points throughout.